Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with sign in with Ethereum libraries. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will dive into how to authenticate using Ethereum libraries. First, ensure you have a compatible wallet installed, like MetaMask. Open your wallet and set up your Ethereum account if you haven't already. Next, create a new project directory on your computer. Inside this directory, initiate a new node.js project using the command npm init. Install the required Ethereum authentication libraries with npm install ethers. Now, in your project folder, create an index.html file. In the index.html, set up a basic HTML structure. Add a button to initiate the authentication process. Next, create a script.js file in your project folder. In script.js, start by importing the ethers library. Initiate a new instance of the ethers provider. Add an event listener to your button that triggers the authentication flow. In the event listener, request the user's Ethereum accounts using provider.send eth_request accounts. Once the user grants access, retrieve their account address. You can then display this address on the web page. Next, sign a message using the user's Ethereum key. Use the signer.signMessage method to sign a custom message. This ensures that you can verify the user's identity. After signing, send the signed message and the address to your server for verification. On your server, verify the signed message by recovering the address. Finally, if everything checks out, authenticate the user in your application. You now have a functional sign-in system with Ethereum. And that's how you authenticate with sign-in with Ethereum libraries. This method enhances the security and simplifies the authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.